Ready to unlock the power of AI and transform the way you work, create, and learn? Let's dive into Google Gemini. First, head over to the Google Gemini website. You'll find a simple interface. The main area is the text input field, where you'll type in your prompts or questions. Click Send to initiate the interaction. Prompt engineering is key. Be clear and specific with your requests. Instead of saying write something, try write a blog post about the benefits of meditation. Consider the context, desired format, and length in your prompt to get the best results. Gemini excels at various tasks for content creation. Ask it to generate articles, emails, or scripts for information retrieval. Pose questions like you would to a search engine, but expect more conversational answers for problem solving. Describe the issue you're facing and ask for potential solutions. You can also delegate tasks like summarizing documents or scheduling reminders. Experiment with different prompts and refine them based on Gemini's responses. The more you use it, the better you'll become at harnessing its AI-driven assistance to supercharge your productivity. Now go forth and explore the incredible capabilities of Google Gemini. Unleash your creativity, streamline your workflow, and experience the future of AI assistance firsthand.